Hiya guys, and welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian keto guy. Today I'm going to show you a sweet recipe. I prepared some dark chocolate cream patisserie. I made something like this last year. You can see it here, the link is in the description. And I just used the coagulating properties of the egg. You know, when the temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius, I don't know in Fahrenheit right now, the egg coagulates and so thickens the whatever it is together with the egg. So here is the product. You can see there is no trick and it's perfectly coagulated. So thicken it. So at first I thought to use the xanthan gum that is used instead of the corn flour to thicken in the patisserie. I don't know how to say in English right now anyway, but I said no, I already did something like this, and of course there was no need. Let's see straight away the recipe. Okay, so here we are all the ingredients we need to make the cream. 5 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 30 of heavy double cream, 125 ml of almond milk, 70 grams of erytrithol or your favorite sweetener, 25 grams of dark chocolate and 1 egg. Let's put in a small pot the milk. The almond milk I use in this case. Feel free to use any other coconut or hazelnut milk, the double cream together, and the 5 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder to keep the carbs level as low as possible. Give to the liquid a little stir just to remove any lumps that the cocoa powder could have formed in the package. A quick stir, and then let's transfer this pot on the stove. We have to bring it to the boil. In the meantime, let's take our egg and let's put our sweetener inside: swerve, locanto, erythritol, stevia, whatever you have in your keto pantry. And let's just stir a little bit, whip the eggs. We have to to melt the sweetener. If you want, you can use a powder one if you want. We are going to put the milk inside anyway. If you want, you can put straight away this butter into the milk. I'm going to show you this way because with that white background is better. And a little bit of stirring again, and then we transfer this how can I say, butter, this liquid, back to the pot on the stove. As I said, you can do it straight away inside the pot while it is still on the stove, but off the heat. Let's put it back to the stove and keep stirring. The egg have to coagulate. Look, when it sticks to the spatula, it begins to coagulate. Keep cooking. It's not yet ready. It have to be like this texture, this density. Let's put the chocolate inside, the dark chocolate. Keep stirring. This step has to be done off the stove. Keep stirring. You will see some lumps, but don't worry. Keep stirring. The heat, thanks to the heat, the chocolate will completely melt. Keep stirring. This is important. And then you can transfer into a glass, a cup, or whatever. So without any corn flour, look at the density, is thick enough according to me, and let's enjoy it. So here we are. The recipe is really simple, quick, and the cream is really spreadable. It's true that I put it in the refrigerator for a while, and the cream is very fit to be spread on the keto rusks, for example, or on the pancake instead of the keto jam or the keto hazelnut spread, whatever you want. So I thought that you could like this very easy version of the cream patisserie. No xanthan gum, no need to thicken, just use the eggs. short video, short recipe. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Let me know your variation if you put anything else. I'm always glad when new people tag me on the Facebook groups with my recipes. See you next time. Bye.